Welcome to WordPress Interview Questions and Answers with Positive Zenith. Describe the role of Gutenberg Blocks in the WordPress block editor, and how do they improve content creation and editing? Gutenberg Blocks are fundamental for content creation in the WordPress block editor. They allow users to build structured and visually appealing content by adding different blocks for text, images, multimedia, and advanced functionality. This block-based approach streamlines content creation and editing. Explain the difference between shortcodes and Gutenberg blocks in terms of their functionality, compatibility, and usage. Shortcodes are primarily designed for the classic editor, offering dynamic content embedding. Gutenberg blocks are meant for the block editor, offering a broader range of content structure and visual customization. Blocks are more user-friendly and offer better compatibility with the block editor's features. How can you create a custom block library for your WordPress site, making it easy to access and use specific blocks across your content? To create a custom block library, you can either develop your blocks or use block editor plugins that allow you to save and reuse custom blocks. These blocks can then be accessed and used across your content. How can you create a custom shortcode in WordPress? And what are the steps involved in implementing and using it? Creating a custom shortcode involves defining a function in the theme's functions.php file, registering the shortcode using the add_shortcode function, and then using the custom shortcode tag in posts or pages to display the associated content or functionality. How do you develop a custom Gutenberg block for your plugin or theme, and what are the key components of block development? Developing a custom Gutenberg block involves creating a block script using JavaScript or a block development framework like React. Key components include defining block attributes, the block's visual rendering, registering the block, and integrating it into the theme or plugin. How do you develop a custom Gutenberg block for your plugin or theme? Developing a custom Gutenberg block involves creating a JavaScript-based block script, defining block attributes and rendering, registering the block, and incorporating it into your theme or plugin. What are the benefits of using pre-designed or third-party Gutenberg blocks in WordPress, and where can you find such blocks? Pre-designed or third-party Gutenberg blocks save time and effort in content creation, providing a variety of visually appealing elements. They can be found in the WordPress plugin repository, premium block collections, and block-related plugins. What is the purpose of shortcodes in WordPress, and how do they work to enhance content flexibility and presentation? Shortcodes enhance content flexibility by allowing users to embed dynamic content or functionality within posts and pages. They work by inserting a shortcode tag in square brackets, which gets replaced with the desired content or action when the page is displayed. What is the purpose of shortcodes in WordPress, and how do they work? Shortcodes are placeholders that allow users to insert dynamic content or functionality into posts and pages. They work by using square brackets enclosing a keyword, which triggers a specific action. What role do patterns play in the Gutenberg block editor? And how can you create and implement custom patterns for your site? Patterns are predefined combinations of blocks that allow you to quickly create complex layouts or content structures. You can create custom patterns by designing your preferred layout and saving it as a reusable pattern in the block editor. This helps streamline content creation. Quick, informative, and ready for more? Subscribe to Positive Zenith. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more valuable insights. Thank you for watching and learning with us. Stay tuned for more in-depth interviews and interview preparation videos.